Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm again back with Misho Hall, and this time I've got earrings for you guys. So I'm super excited. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Before that, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Okay, the first product which I'm going to show you guys, I got it in this cover. So they have not given any box with this. And this particular earrings quality is really nice. So this is how the earrings looks like. This is in silver colors and the quality looks so nice, guys. Now you guys can see with this dress also it's going really well, and I really like this design. It looks so beautiful, and they have given this beads. This earrings look so beautiful and pretty, right? So if in case you guys are interested to buy this products, I'll provide the product links in the description box. You can definitely go for it. And let me tell you guys what is the price. The price of this particular product is just 141 rupees, and I feel like it's very affordable and it looks really pretty. If in case you guys are liking this particular product, then check out my description box, my channel description box, if in case you guys are interested in this product. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. I got it in this box. This is like a what is that, oxidized jewelry, guys. This is how the earrings looks like. Just look at it. It looks so beautiful. With this dress also it looks so nice. So you can wear this with western wear dresses. Also you can also wear this with ethnic wear dresses. It looks really pretty, and they have given this jhumkas. So a really nice stuff. If in case you guys are interested to buy this stuff, you can definitely go for this. I would recommend this particular product to you guys. The quality looks really nice. Behind also you can see the finishing of this product is really nice. I would recommend this particular product. All the products are really nice. Let me tell you guys what is the price. The price of this particular earrings is just 152 rupees. Can you believe that? Go for this particular product, guys. It's really nice. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. And this particular earrings is quite trendy, because I've seen this kind of earrings. Okay, this is how the next earrings looks like. Just look at it. It looks so beautiful. They have given peacock shape, and this particular earrings is quite trendy. And I've seen this particular earrings all over the internet, like on Instagram, in YouTube, everywhere. So people have reviewed this particular earrings. I've seen it. So this earrings looks so beautiful, and it's quite affordable as well. I guess I'll check the price and let you guys know, but just look at it. It looks so beautiful, and behind you get this stoppings. The price of this particular earrings is 257 rupees. It's really nice. If in case you guys are interested, you can definitely go for it. You can wear this to any functions or wedding. It looks really nice. Okay, the next product which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is also quite similar to the other one, but this is in different color, and this is how it looks like. Just look at it, guys. These earrings are so beautiful and affordable as well. And I really like the design of this. It looks like a Chandbali style, I guess. Like, so beautiful, guys. I can't wear it and show you guys, but I can show it like this, so you can make out, I guess, right, how this earrings looks like. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 229 rupees, and when you buy it through Google Pay or Phone Pay, they'll give you some more discount, guys. Go for this particular earrings. It's beautiful. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box, and this is how the next earrings looks like. This is a Chand Bali style earrings, and looks so beautiful, right? Let me just remove one and show you guys. This is how the earrings looks like. If you like big chunky earrings, you can definitely go for it. And this particular earrings, you can wear it to functions or wedding. It looks really nice. I would recommend this particular earrings. Let's see what is the price of this particular product. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is 245 rupees. Again, it's very affordable. If in case you guys are interested in this product, I'll provide the product links in the description box. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Product, I got it in this box. Okay, this is like a resin earrings, I guess, because this looks like that. And this particular earrings also looks so pretty. This is how it looks like. I really like the quality of this particular. This is how the earrings looks like. I mean, it looks so beautiful. They have given like pink color and a green color flower. So it looks so beautiful. If in case you guys like this product, definitely you can go for it. This is like a resin, earrings. This thing you see, right? This is a resin art because I used to do resin art earlier. So I know how it looks like. Definitely you can go for it and it looks really, really nice. They have used like a flower here. I think these are like artificial flower, and you will keep that and put resin on it. And I think you guys would have seen, right? This looks so beautiful and definitely you can go for it. Okay, the price of this particular product is 258 rupees. It's quite affordable. If in case you guys are interested, you can definitely go for it. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next product which I'm gonna show you guys, I got it in this box. Wow, this particular earrings looks so beautiful, and this is like jhumkas. It looks so pretty, guys, and it's little heavy as well. Looks like this is a really good quality earrings, and you can see the jhumkas. Really nice stuff, guys. I would recommend this particular product to you guys, and you can wear this to any kurtas or lehengas. Even for saris also you can wear this. And this is how the earrings looks like. I'll just keep it like this. You guys can make out like how this product looks like. And beautiful earrings. Okay, the price of this particular earrings is just 216 rupees. Can you believe that? This particular earrings quality is very, very nice, guys. Definitely you can go for it. This is how the next product looks like. You can just open it like this, and the product quality is really nice. I'm not really sure like whether this is a real leather, but looks really nice. And this is like an organizer. You can keep your earrings or anything here. You can keep your rings here, and small earrings you can just stick it here. So not stick, like you can just keep it here, or you can just open this also. No, you can't open this, guys, but you can open this one. So you can keep a lot of stuffs here. And I'll show you guys. So they have one more partition here. You can just open it like this and keep some more stuffs here. You can keep like earrings or your chains, and hang your chains here. So this particular organizer, when you're traveling, right, it will be really useful. If in case you guys are interested in this product, or if you're looking something like this, definitely I'll provide the product links in the description box. That is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload our next video, take care. Bye bye.